If you need a helping hand with your Instagram account inside SocialBee, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how you can identify and solve any issues you may be facing when posting to your Instagram account. You'll be able to create and schedule posts through SocialBee and have them published to your Instagram profile. If you need a refresher on our post editor, you can check out our video on this feature here. Alternatively, you can also use the Copilot Assistant to help you get things moving faster. There's also a video dedicated to this feature if you need it. There are 3 types of posts that you can publish to Instagram through SocialBee: feed posts, stories, and reels. Each of these have their own sets of requirements that we'll go through in this video. Feed posts typically have an aspect ratio that's square, portrait, or landscape. If your image falls outside of these aspect ratios, you might have to crop it or push it through mobile reminders instead. To crop it from your SocialBee post editor, you can click on the pencil icon that's at the bottom left corner of the image that you've just added. You can use one of the multiple presets found there to adjust your photo, and you can also do this for carousels. Stories have a vertical aspect ratio, and you can only schedule them to post directly without stickers or links. To schedule a story, you can create your post as you normally would by making sure that you select the Instagram account you want to post to. Then, click on Customize for each profile to reveal the platform-specific features for Instagram. In the top right corner of your Instagram text box, you'll find a drop-down that will allow you to choose Story. And finally, Reels also have a vertical aspect ratio. Make sure that your Reel is under 60 seconds to be able to publish it directly. Otherwise, it'll fall back on mobile reminders. To schedule a Reel, once again, you can create your content as you normally would, making sure you're selecting the right profiles. Then you'll click on Customize for each profile to reveal the platform-specific features for Instagram. In the top right corner of your Instagram text box, you'll find the drop-down that will allow you to choose one of 2 options when it comes to Reels. Choose Reel if you want your post to only show up in your Reels tab, or Feed and Reel if you also want your Reel to show up on your Insta feed. Keep in mind that currently you're not able to add trending audio to your Reel when scheduling through third-party tools like SocialBee. By the way, you can also follow the same process for posting Reels to Facebook pages as well. We've mentioned mobile reminders already, so let's talk about them. If you're trying to post to a personal profile on Instagram, or if you're not meeting one or multiple criteria that we've already discussed, you'll see a mobile icon popping up at the bottom right corner of your text box, as well as showing up on the Instagram icon in your post editor. This will let you know that the post is set to be published through reminders, and if you hover your mouse over it, it will also tell you what's the reason for doing so. To publish content via mobile reminders, you'll need to install the SocialBee Companion app, which is available on both iOS and Android at no extra cost. Then, once you have it installed and you're logged in, come back into SocialBee, and from the Social Accounts tab in your dashboard, make sure that you've set up your mobile reminders. To post this way, you'll create and schedule your content as you normally would on the SocialBee web version. When it's time to post, you'll get a notification on your phone to help you finish posting. Open the notification, follow the instructions, and publish your post. You might be asking yourself, okay, but I've already checked these and my post still failed to publish. In this case, you can check why your post failed to publish by going to your Next Posts menu, filtering for Instagram, and going to your Failed Post tab. The error message you got there should explain why the post didn't go through. But in short, if it says failed, your post failed to publish. This should also come with a message explaining why it failed. On the other hand, if it says pending, you'll find that the post is ready to publish in your mobile companion app. This means that one or multiple criteria weren't met when scheduling your post, or it wasn't set up correctly. If you're still in doubt after watching this video, you can reach out to our customer success team at success@socialbee.com to get additional help or answers to any of your questions.